Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing, and I'm so psyched about this. So as usual, I'm gonna have a story about this. This package is from Soul Story, and I want to give so much thanks for all this. This is the Lamello MB.02, and the reason why I bought these is because I'm really happy with the MB.01, his first shoe. This is the Rick and Morty. I'm really happy with them, and sort of recently, I don't remember when, like a couple of months ago, they released a green pair called Green Gecko or Gecko Green, and I had them in my basket and everything. And when I was going to pay for them, I got a suggestion if I wanted to log in, and I thought, yeah, I'm gonna log in, so they have all my information with shipping and payment, etc., etc. When I took that time to do that, the shoes got sold out in my size, and I actually got really upset about that. So I contacted Soul Story on Instagram, on Facebook, on mail twice. I knew that it wasn't their fault and there was nothing they could do about it, but I was unhappy and I showed it. So now when these are being shown, they are not even released yet. They're releasing tomorrow at 9 in the morning at soulstore.com. So when they showed on Instagram that they were getting them, I texted on Instagram and said, I want those. And very happily, they said, without me asking anything, we're gonna get them for you. We're gonna make sure that you get them. So I paid for them, and I already got them one day before the release, and I'm super happy. And that's not it. We got one hoodie and one sweater, size XL. Oh, these were nice. As a gift, really nice. Soft material. I like the small logo in the rear. Very nice. I'm gonna get to the shoes, don't worry, because I got one thing for you. And now the sweater. So this was a nice Christmas gift in every way. And here we have a black sweater. And since I don't wear black, this is going to be a giveaway. Size XL, Soul Story sweater, soft and nice. That's gonna be a giveaway. Plus, they want to be, they don't want to be, they are friends to Soul Love Crew. They were at our event, had a super cool competition. The Soul Story is our main basketball store in Sweden, so we all have been friends from the beginning. I got a discount code for you. So type in SLC for Soul Love Crew, so SLC 20, and it gives you 20% discount on everything. How about that? So yeah, I'm really happy over this. Super thanks to Soul Love Crew and Soul Story. So now on to the shoes. So they're nice. The PUMA Lamellos MB.01 and the MB.02. I haven't heard any kind of complaints about them. Everybody seems to love them. Both basketball players and old men used wearing them casually, just like I do. And so I have just been waiting for a nice colorway, because the two first colorways, let me see if I remember correctly. The first one was orange, looked kind of cool but a bit boring. And the second one was blue, and I thought they were really boring. So since I didn't get the green gecko or gecko green ones, I thought these were going to be nice. I first didn't like that they weren't all green. I don't get it with the red, but now I see it says 100. I don't know. No, it says something else. But we have the red, we have the yellow, but the green is nice. And this is, okay, here we have it, Nickelodeon. Everywhere where you can read about the shoes, it only says Puma Slime, but it is an official Nickelodeon collab. Not from here. So I guess you all know, even if you don't watch Nickelodeon, I don't think I've ever watched Nickelodeon, but we all know what slime is. And we have all played with slime at some time. And I have my goddaughter that loves slime, so I wanted to buy her a pair as well, but I wasn't allowed from my mom because I already bought her too many pair of shoes. But this is the slime, the Puma Nickelodeon slime mellow, nice shoe. I'm gonna post some details of them. I thought they were going to be more green, like the gecko green, but they are nice. I don't want to complain. I don't get it why they are not all green, because I don't remember at all slime being yellow and red. Maybe the box, I don't remember at all. But the drip is nice. So I've heard there haven't been so many reviews of them, even though people love the Puma lamellos. But I've heard that they are a bit narrow. The MB.01s, I have no complaint. Oh, here we. All right, now I realize that these are also yellow on top. I didn't think about that at all before. So they are very similar, actually. Because these shoes, I'm pretty sure, comes with extra laces in another color. No, they don't. But I've seen them with red laces, and I didn't like that at all. I want them to be unicolor. Yeah, but my point was that everybody loves them, comfortable, etc., etc. Great to play basketball in, but they might be a bit narrow. So if you have wide feet, they say you can go up half a size, but Puma doesn't have 12 and a half. So I went with my US 12 as usually, and I guess I'm just going to have to wear them inside to stretch them. But I'm gonna put them on and see how they feel. In the heel it says rare and slime. So the slime thing, it is cool. I almost wish that they added like a small jar of slime with it, just for fun. And I was expected to see, like, you know, the famous unboxers getting them in a big jar of slime or something, because Puma on their own site had a big jar of slime with a basketball in them. But nice shoes, I'm happy to have them, and I'm really excited to wear them, because I have, once again, I've only read good things and only heard good things about the new lamellos. And since I'm so happy with the old ones, of course these are going to be better. So before going to the on foot, once again, super thanks for the hoodie for me, the sweatshirt for you, and the code for all of you, even if you're not a member of Soul of Crew. SLC20 gives you 20% off of anything on the site. What a great Christmas gift. The shoes are being released tomorrow, 9 in the morning, on soulstory.com. And I really think you should get a pair because they are super cool. So let's see how they fit. I have already loosened the laces all the way, so it doesn't look as good. I'm not used to wearing, I don't know if I'm going to call it mids. They're not low tops, they're mids. I'm not used to wearing anything but highs. So maybe I didn't need to loosen the laces, but I'm just used to it. So let's see how they fit. Maybe a bit tight, but I don't complain about it at all because it is a basketball shoe. Oh, they are nice. It is a performance shoe, it is a basketball shoe, so it should fit like a glove, and they absolutely do. Yes. Oh, they were nice. They are, I don't want to say if they are not narrow, I wouldn't say that. And to say that they are tight is going to sound negative. They just fit very well. So no complaints at all. It's not what I'm used to. I don't want to sound negative at all about them, so I don't know how to explain it, but they fit like a glove. They fit perfect. A bit snug, tight, but it is a performance shoe, so it should be like that. So no complaints at all. They are light, and the rubber sole, I mean, the grip on these must be excellent. They are yeah. And the yellow now when I have them on foot look a lot better. I'm gonna show you. So now I do like that they're not all green, because all green would look a bit more boring. Oh man, they are cool. So huge thanks to Soul Story for getting me them early, for the gift to myself, gift to you, and gift to all of you with the SLC20 gift code. I'm going to type it in the description, of course, so you all can get it. Huge thank you, and Merry Christmas to you all. Thanks for watching.